In this video, I will show you step by step how we make $9,210 in commission every single month just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube. Okay, I will share with you guys my method, which affiliate links I was promoting on YouTube, how I found a profitable affiliate links that will got me a lot of commission and so much more. Okay, and as you can see over here, this is my lifetime earning. I made $195,110 in commission. It took me almost 2 years to earn this commission, and right now I'm making up to 10k per month just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic. Okay, so I will share with you guys my method. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing and so much more. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do first, so start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing business for beginners, you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. So just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So what you will do next, you will put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Scroll down. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a profitable and good services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. You need to choose services that people are searching for. Okay, you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people are searching for on YouTube. So what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage. Just go to your YouTube homepage. So first, why I choose YouTube? Okay, did you know that YouTube has 13 billion monthly visitors? That's a really a big number. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services and topics and products on YouTube. Okay, that's why you should start promoting your affiliate links on YouTube and focus on YouTube. Okay, YouTube, you can get so much traffic from YouTube. Okay, so anyways, so what I will do, I will go to my YouTube homepage, I will click on the search and I will ask questions. So for example, I will ask how to find winning. As you can see, for example, how to find winning, and YouTube will give me a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to find winning products for dropshipping, how to find winning products for dropshipping 2024, how to find winning products, how to find winning products for Amazon. I will take, for example, this topic, how to find winning products for dropshipping. I will go to Fiverr, okay? I will go back to my Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search. I search for find Shopify dropshipping winning products, okay? Search for this keyword, find Shopify dropshipping winning product. Scroll down. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service, okay? As you can see. So those people who are searching for how to find winning products for dropshipping, they have money and they are ready to invest money if you give them a good service that will help them to find a good and winning product. Okay, that's what I do. I will go to Fiverr. I search for find Shopify dropshipping winning products. I scroll down and I will choose good seller. You need to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller. Level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. Like this one, for example, is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews, almost 5-star. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, click over here and put this seller profile link here, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube, okay? So let's go to, so before we do that, go back to this seller profile page, click on his video. So this seller is using a video explaining to his customers how he will find the winning product and how he will do this service. I will double click on the video. I will click on save video. Save this video to your laptop. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. I will name it winning product. Okay, and after you upload this video to your laptop, go to Canva. Okay, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. So just click over here on video and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload, click on upload file and upload this video to your laptop, okay? To your Canva account. Winning product, this is my video, open. And here you go, your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points. Click on set video as background. Here you go. Click on text. Scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Just click on the text that you want to use. I will delete this part and I will decrease the font size of this text. I will put this text here, double click, write this sentence. Check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description like this. And I will put this title here. I will click on element and I will click over here on ship and I will put this ship here like this to make this title good. I will click on color and I will choose black color. Okay, looking good. Check link in description because we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, let me see. So I will remove the background music, click on the video and remove the background music. If the video doesn't have any speech, just remove the background music. If the video has a speech, just leave it like it is, okay? So it's like this, it's enough, okay? It's good. Okay, good. If you want to add some background music, you can add it if you want, okay? And if you don't want, it's fine to use the video like this, okay? And here you go. Click on share after you finish. Click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel. Upload this video to your YouTube channel. Copy this keyword, how to find winning products for dropshipping. Just copy and paste. Use this keyword. So people who will search for how to find winning products for dropshipping, they will find your video, okay? They will watch your video. They will see this check link in my description. What you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. You will copy your affiliate link from here or here and you will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. And that's it. Those people, they don't know how to find winning products. this seller on Fiverr or those sellers in general will help those people to find winning product, because those people are expert, they have long experience, and you know exactly how to find winning product. So we will help those people and you will earn commission, and that's it. It's win-win for it's win for those people who are searching for how to find winning products, and it's win for for this seller on Fiverr, and for you, you will get commission, and that's it. People keep seeing in the comment, it's not working, it's not this is not working, it's fake, you cannot make money like this, because you just didn't try enough. Okay, so you just, maybe you was very close to start making money and you give up. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, if you want to earn commission, you need to stay consistent, upload a lot of content, try to keep improving. Don't just focus on just copy and paste. Try to add something new, try to do your own research, try to improve your videos, and you will really, if you do that, you will make a lot of money. Okay, and that's it. So for people who don't know exactly how to promote, how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to add affiliate links in your YouTube description, I will leave a link in my description below showing you step by step how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel and how you can add affiliate link in your YouTube description. Okay, so that's it, it's up to you. This is the method that I'm using, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.